Have you ever wondered what generative AI is? To answer that, we first need to understand what AI, or artificial intelligence, is. It's a field of computer science coined by John McCarthy in 1956 that aims to create machines that mimic human intelligence. Now, generative AI is a subset of AI, a term introduced by Ian Goodfellow in 2014. It's an exciting technology that's capable of creating something new, from a sentence or a piece of music to an image or even a chemical structure. One of the most common examples of generative AI is text generation. Tools like OpenAI's GPT-3 can generate human-like text, capable of writing essays, creating poetry, or even drafting emails. It's as if you have a virtual scribe at your command, ready to pen down your thoughts. Generative AI is also making waves in the realm of coding. Tools like GitHub's Copilot can generate lines of code, helping programmers by suggesting solutions or even writing entire functions. It's like having a seasoned coder sitting next to you, offering advice and solutions. But generative AI's capabilities aren't just limited to text. It can also generate images. Tools like DALL-E, a sibling of GPT-3, can create unique, never-before-seen images from simple text descriptions. Imagine asking a machine to draw a two-headed pink elephant, and voila, there you have it. Audio generation is another fascinating modality of generative AI. Tools like OpenAI's MuseNet can compose pieces of music in various styles and genres. It's as if you have a virtual orchestra at your fingertips, ready to play whatever tune you desire. Even video generation is possible. Deepfakes, though controversial, are a prime example of this. With the right tools, you can make a video of anyone doing or saying anything. It's a powerful tool, but with great power comes great responsibility. Generative AI can even reach into the realm of chemistry and biology. Tools like IBM's RxN for chemistry can predict the outcome of chemical reactions, or even propose new ones. It's as if you have a virtual chemist, ready to mix and match molecules to create new compounds. Last but not least, generative AI is also making its mark in the field of robotics. Robots can now learn to perform new tasks, or even adapt to changing environments. It's like having a robotic companion that learns and grows with you. In conclusion, generative AI is revolutionizing the way we create and innovate. From writing to coding, painting to composing, and even chemistry to robotics, the possibilities are endless. It's an exciting time to be alive, as we witness the dawn of a new era of creativity and innovation fueled by generative AI.